ag teacher, Miss Chapman, has been teaching us about soil.
If you were to slice down into the earth, you would see several different layers. This is called the soil profile.
Soil is one of our most important natural resources that covers much of the Earth's surface. Soil is a living, breathing organism that feeds everything on the planet.
Soil is roughly composed of 45% minerals, 20 to 30% air, 20 to 30% water, and 5 to 10% organic matter.
Soil will only be possible without rain.
As water is absorbed into the ground, it collects all the minerals and becomes a soil water. It carries nutrients farther down so plants can absorb them through the roots.
Without soil, we could not survive. Healthy soil produces good crops to feed the world. During our ag lessons, we learned that composting is the natural process of recycling organic materials to create nutrient-rich soil.
So the 5 factors that make plants grow is sunlight, water, temperature, nutrients, and air, and wind.
Our food scraps have an important role. When they are added to soil, the food scraps and other organic matters improve the soil composition. They also help with water drainage and retention.
We researched how to store the compost at our school. We learned how to layer our materials. You have to alternate layers of moist and dry materials.
Moist green materials include food scraps, tea bags, and coffee grounds. These provide a rich source of nitrogen to our compost.
Dry brown materials include straw, leaves, dry wood, and paper. When these break down, it puts carbon into our compost.
We learned that the green material breaks down faster in the compost. It is very important to keep the compost pile moist and turn your pile every week. This introduces air and speeds up decomposition. We have been composting our lunchroom scraps at Hill City Elementary.
After students have finished eating, they can choose to put their leftovers in our compost bin.
After lunch, we have a team that places the scraps into our composter.
Miss Chapman taught us what can be composted and what needs to be thrown away. Did you know that you can not compost meat or dairy products?
We wanted to encourage our community to compost as well, so we set up a scarecrow display at Keep Pickens Beautiful on Main Street.
We invited people to compost their holiday pumpkins. We posted this effort on social media.
We shared this sad fact. 1.3 billion pounds of pumpkins end up in landfills each year. What a waste of nutrients.
We also invited community members to compost their pumpkins at our school. This will add nutrients to next year's gardens.
We are excited to announce that 25 pumpkins were composted at Hill City Elementary. The future of composting looks bright here at Hill City because
we turn trash into treasure!
You can compost
Paper and banana, mango, dryerland, tomatoes, lettuce, avocado, potatoes, grapefruit, pepper,